So we've got about 3 layers of matting out. The passenger seat slides out so that we can access the battery, and we have various pieces of wood and bits and pieces that have been holding it up. The access down to the batteries quite easy from here, but I'm going to remove the battery. I'm going to put it between the chassis rails just behind the cab for access. And we've got the attachment for the seat, and just a lot more rust in the floor pan that I was really worried about. But we're just going to have to deal with it as we go along. Over on the far side, just under the driver's seat, very evident. But that's what we got this for. It's all going to be a nice little project further down the track. Alright. Now clean all this up, just see what we've got to deal with. And then hopefully run some power through it and see which of these actually work. Alright.